when you're fun, cause you're desperate. Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure? Oh, my city, she never sleeps, my city. She never weeps, my city.
Hi guys, Maggie here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this glossy lid look with kind of a dewy face. It kind of has been a trend where people use gloss on top of the lid where it's very shiny and gloss like. That's why I wanted to do this makeup look. If you want to see this look, just keep on watching. Hi guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is use my Farsali Unicorn Essence Serum and put that all over my face. I'm going to use 3 drops on my face and just blend that out. And blend a little bit of that down my neck. Since I'm going for a luminous type of look, I'm going in with my Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I'm going to focus that on my T-zone and then blend it outwards. For foundation, I'm using my Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This foundation is going to be perfect for this kind of look because it's going to give me that luminous finish. I'm going to use a little bit of that and blend it with my beauty blender. I'm going to add foundation on both of my lids and keep blending. I'm actually going to put some tape along the edges of my eyes. I know I already put some foundation on first, but that's okay. Right now I'm just setting my eyes with some loose setting powder to take away the shininess. I'm going to use a black eyeliner which looks like this. I'm going to do a wing and then blend it out. I'm taking my pencil brush and blend it out. I'm going in with my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take the shade Real Girl, which is in the bottom, and add a little bit of that to my crease, just to add a little bit more color. I'm going to add a little bit of Cypress Amber, which is this brown shade up here, and add a little bit of that to my wing so we can diffuse it a little bit so it doesn't look too dark. I'm going to take off the tape. This is what it looks like for now. I'm going to leave my eyes for now and go back to my face. For concealer, I'm going to use my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And go back to my beauty blender and blend it out. I'm using my Laura Mercier to set my face. And use a little bit of that just to set, but not big. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder. Looks like this.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, 'cause you're desperate?
I'm using the same black liner for my waterline.
For adventure, what's your poison, what's your pleasure?
And I'm going to use Cypress Amber and blend out the lash line. So I went off camera and put some lashes on. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder. Looks like so. For blush, I'm going to use my MAC Powder Blush in the color Raisin. For highlight, I'm going to use my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the color Prosecco Pop and add that to my cheeks. I'm also going to add Prosecco Pop to my tear duct. For the glossy lid, which will be the star of the show, I'm going to be using my Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Over the Top. It was the collab with Katie and Desi. It looks like this. As you can see, it has gold reflexes inside. Very pretty. I'm actually just gonna put it in the back of my hand. Like so, and add the lip gloss on my lid. I'm trying to focus the color in the middle of the lid and then blend it outwards and then blend it upwards.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, 'cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your
For lips, I'm going to line my lips with my MAC Chestnut lip liner, and then I'm going to add the same lip gloss on top. Lastly, to set my face, I'm going to use my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to change for the outfit. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this glossy lid look, and subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Bye.